Ladies and gentlemen, hello and welcome to my channel once again. In this video, I have outlined some important factors about health insurance plan.
Thank you for handing over the rest of the narration to me. This video is divided into two parts. 1. What to know and understand. 2. Being well informed and making an informed decision. What to know and understand. Before you decide on a plan, you will have to understand what services are covered, the premium rate, the deductibles, co-insurance, out-of-pocket expenses, and co-pays. This information will help you to avoid being surprised when you receive your bill. Deductible, this is the amount of money you will have to pay out of your own pocket, before your insurance company starts paying for your medical expenses. Co-insurance, this is the percentage of the cost of your medical expenses that you will have to pay from your own pocket, after you have paid the deductibles. Out-of-pocket maximum, this is the maximum amount of money that you will have to pay for your medical expenses in a year. Once you reach your out-of-pocket maximum, your insurance company will pay for all of your covered medical expenses for the rest of the year. Note, the insurance company will pay only for those medical expenses which are covered under the plan. Co-pays, these are the fixed amounts that you will have to pay for certain medical services, like doctor's visits or prescription drugs. Covered benefits, these are those medical services which are covered by your health insurance plan. Excluded benefits, these are those medical services that are not covered by your health insurance plan. It is a good practice to track your medical expenses. This will help you to stay up to date on your spendings, and make sure you do not exceed your deductible or out-of-pocket maximum. Being well informed and making an informed decision. While reading your medical insurance policy, make sure you understand everything, and know specifically what is covered and what is not covered under the plan. Wherever required, do not hesitate to ask questions to the medical insurance company for clarification. It is always good to compare the benefits and disadvantages of at least 3 or 4 insurance companies, before making an informed decision. Get quotations from different insurance companies and compare the premium rates, the coverages and features, the deductibles, co-pays, and the out-of-pocket expenses. One more thing that you need to understand about your health insurance coverage is the plan type. There are quite a few types of plans, each with its own benefits and features. Some common types are, Type 1. Health insurance companies which require you to visit a doctor within their network for most of the services. If you visit a doctor outside their network, you will require a referral. Such companies are often known as HMO, Health Maintenance Organization. They usually have low premiums, but high out-of-pocket expenses. Type 2. Health insurance companies which give you more flexibility to visit a doctor both in and outside their network. No referral is required for visiting a doctor outside their network. Such companies are often known as PPO, Preferred Provider Organization. For such companies, the premiums may be higher, whereas out-of-pocket expenses will be lower. Type 3. Health insurance companies which combine the benefits and features of both HMO and PPO. With this kind of a health insurance plan, you can visit doctors both within and outside their network plan, but you will have to pay more for visiting doctors outside the network. Referrals may be required for visiting doctors outside their network. Such companies are often known as POS, point of service. Overall, you may have to pay more for taking insurance coverage from such companies. Once you have gone through all the relevant details of the various health insurance plans, next you will have to consider your own individual needs, your health condition and health needs, your lifestyle, your family situation, and your financial capabilities, before deciding on a suitable health insurance plan. Talk to your family, to your doctor, and also with the insurance provider, before taking a final call. All said and done, cost appears to be the most important factor when choosing a suitable health plan. Together with cost, you will also have to consider the coverage and benefits, the network of doctors and hospitals covered, the flexibility of the plan, the costs involved in visiting out-of-network doctors, whether home care expenses are included or not. Thank you for watching patiently till the end. Hope I have been able to summarize everything in this short video. Take your best decision and go for a plan that suits you best.
If you have liked the information that I have shared with you, then please like my video and subscribe to my channel. Once again, thank you very much for watching till the end. Have a great day.